How to set up the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 5G for the first time. So before we begin, insert the SIM card into your device. It is located at the top here. So eject the SIM tray, then we pull it out. And in here, insert the SIM card. It uses a nano SIM. Then we put it in. Now on the device here, it appears like there is another tray for the SD card. I don't think it is available on this device, but if you're in a different region, sometimes you can put in the SD card as well. Okay, so now I'm going to insert the SIM back into the SIM slot. Then you can press and hold on the side button here to turn on your phone. Now my SIM card is locked with a SIM pin, so I can put in the pin to unlock my SIM. Okay, so once you turn on your phone and you got to the welcome page, select your country, then tap on the start button. Here, tap on agree to all, and then tap on agree. This will allow you to go to the next page. From here, you can choose a Wi-Fi network. So tap on the Wi-Fi network so that we can connect to it, and then enter in the password. Now put in the password and then tap on the connect button. Once it is connected, tap on next. Now it is getting the phone ready. Okay, on the next screen, you can choose copy apps and data. Now because we're going to do an express setup, so we choose don't copy. And here the phone will check info. And here you can sign into your Google account, or you can skip. You can always sign in later. I'm going to tap on skip for now, and then tap on skip. Next, tap on more, then tap on more, and then tap on accept. And from here, you can choose to set up a fingerprint, face recognition, or a pin. I will tap on skip, then tap on skip anyway. And from the list here, you can choose to install any additional apps. I will not install any of these additional apps, and then tap on OK. And here it says getting your phone ready. Now please wait. Okay, from here it says get recommended apps. App will be downloaded when you are connected to Wi-Fi. It cannot disable it, so it is built into this device. So tap on next. And here, if you lost your phone, you can find even if it's offline. So it asks you to sign into your Samsung account. At this point, I will tap on skip as well, and then tap on skip. You can always sign in later on. Then tap on more, then tap on agree. And here you can choose between light mode and dark mode. So select a theme, then tap on next. Then tap on finish. And that's it. We are now done. We are now on the home screen of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If you want, you can always swipe down at the top, then tap on settings. And in here, you can sign to your Samsung account, or you can go down and you can go into apps and accounts. So in here, we can go into accounts and backup to sign to your Google account, or you can sign into your Samsung account and so on. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.